I've been in Abuja for 4 years. 4
Uh,
years. 4 years. 4 years.
that means you are now an indigene.
Not really indigenous.
Yes, now.
Not really indigenous.
If you have stayed in the place for more than 2 years, that means you are an indigene now because you have not
Yeah,
come
yeah.
from the place.
I really like Abuja, right? Abuja is the standard of living in Nigeria. For most people who have not been to Abuja, they will not understand. Like, if you wanted to test how a civilized country looks like in terms of atmosphere and organization, just come to Abuja. Like, you go understand. Like the road networks, the calmness, the environment in terms of structure, like you understand. You will just know say more na better na city you dey. Yes.
That call FCT at least.
Yes, the neatness. No. Abuja is neat, is organized. What I like the most about Abuja, because I've stayed in Lagos for 15 years, is the fact that I no fit stay hold up like for 30 minutes. Which kind hold up be that one? 30 minutes, 1 hour. It go hard. Like, especially like, for example, I say that to say this. For Lagos, no matter how you plan, you will still enter hold up. But for Abuja, you can plan. The few places where hold up dey, maybe not the area where you dey go where. You can plan, say, okay, this place hold up suppose dey by this time because of this thing. People dey go work or people dey come for work. So I wan beat the hold up, so I won't go early or I won't go late. You can do that in Abuja. Somebody can call you like, hey guy, if I'm gonna meet, it's okay, I'll be there in 40 minutes. You put your map show you 30 minutes, you will know dash an extra 10 minutes, you go there. That's why I like Abuja. But the bad part of Abuja is that if you don't have a car, you will suffer. So just know that first. Transportation is not good at all. Transportation is not good.
You actually like the bad.
Transportation is
that's what I actually do. Some people.
Transportation.
Yeah, Abuja is a civilized.
Yeah, no, Abuja is very civilized.
Unlike Lagos and people don't have many works. Abuja is just for rich men. That is why there is no much work for us class.
That's a very strong point. Most people don't understand that. If you are in Abuja, you may not get job except you are good at what you do. Because Lagos, there are a lot of opportunities. You can be hustling, just do one thing, help somebody carry something, you don't get money, help somebody go drop something, help somebody. There's a lot of I help you do that, I collect money. No, Abuja is chilling, everybody's chilling. Like, there's no work. It's just, if you never get something where you do, not come Abuja, you just don't stress yourself. Just get something where you do before you come. If you are not a homo, no.
There is one of my friends that has been looking for work from this 1 year now. Like, not cheap. And the kind of job he's looking for is all those work of 50k, 60k, 70k. Those one are for crayfish. So he's looking for a better job. I told you that, bro.
It go hard.
Look for small thing I've been doing for 9 months.
It go hard.
You don't get anything. Yeah, it's not like Lagos.
Yeah, another thing again I like about Abuja is the fact that there's no competition. Like, if you are doing anything and you are good at it, you will go far. Except you are not good at it, because nobody's competing with you. There's no competition. Enjoy yourself. Then the one that I don't like is that Abuja people are lazy. When the president. Okay, you don't agree with that.
No.
Oh yeah, wait now. When the president said that, President Yaradua, Buhari said that the youth of Nigeria are lazy, I was in Lagos. I was so angry. I was like, I don't used to get angry with authority. So, but I was angry in my corner. Like, how can you say the youth of Nigeria are lazy? We are not lazy. Like, I started using Lagos people as a yardstick. My brother, when I came to Abuja, I stayed for only 1 year. It's me that started saying it. Lazy. Abuja people are so hard. Yes, why? You want to see something?
So
Guys?
what are the examples?
Now let me
What
give
are
you.
what you
Thank
see?
you. Let me give you the example. Here is why Abuja people are lazy. I'll tell you why first. I'll start giving you an example. Abuja people are lazy because almost like majority of people here, they are okay. I will explain it. Majority of people in Abuja, they are okay. Okay means they know they try to fight for what they go eat. They know they try to, majority, I said majority, I'm not saying that there are no poor people. They know they try to think of how they go take transport. Most people get cars, not just one, they get more than one. Most people, they comfortable, that's the right word. They are comfortable, living in one estate, living in one place. Most people are comfortable. So that hustling spirit not there. They know they try hustle. So examples. I don't know if you stay in any estate or close to any estate. Most of the estates, you will see that the shops inside or outside the estate, they know they open until 10. My brother, for Lagos, shop don't open 5:30. 5:30, 5 o'clock, shops don't open 6 o'clock. And guess what? That shop go there till sometimes till 10 in the midnight, sometimes 12. Now you go dey beg, one log gate, customer go see they come, one log gate. What's it by the time? This is 9 o'clock. If you doubt me now, my auntie has a shop outside my estate. My auntie will probably resume shop maybe by 9:30. If I go there now, my auntie don't close shop. This is 9 o'clock. She don't close shop. Some of the beer parlors, I'm not talking about joint, you know, those big joints, not the big joint I talk. Some of the beer parlors are not those small pepper soup joints. My brother, 10:30, they don't wrap up. Which pepper soup joint won't wrap up for Lagos for 10:30? One, may see the cancel bottles. May see the 1 o'clock, may see the cancel bottles. Every year see they busy, but Abuja, nah, everybody they don't see. Oh, I'm not telling another one. If I dey lie, tell me say I dey lie for this one. Wait, I just want to give you one first, I not first. If I dey lie, tell me say I dey lie. Abuja people not dey like go work on Friday. They go tell you say work not dey on Friday.
You're right.
No, tell me say I dey lie now.
You're actually right. You're right.
At the office one day, my colleague tell me say, why you see meeting on Friday? Nobody comes to work on Friday. I'm like, Jesus Christ. I was shocked. Go on. Tell me, go on.
You know, some
Land today. I don't carry this one now. I don't make it my own. Nobody has ever given me this point. I've never thought of it. This is the first time this one I catch on well. It's true. It's true because on Friday they go to mosque. So on Friday is like on Sunday. So it's like telling a Christian to go to work on Sunday and he will not agree. Oh, I understand.
I will not agree.
I understand. Because in Abuja we have a lot of Muslims and they don't joke with Friday. Oh, I see. Now affected the Christians. They were like, on Friday work not the day. Oh, I see. Oh.
That is why when you see a Muslim, let's say before when they will be going to mosque and you want to buy something, that thing will be important to you. You tell that man that, please, I want to buy something. That man will tell you that, please, I want to go and pray.
Yes.
He will not say that to you until you go and pray that prayer before coming to sell it to you.
Yes.
That is how they are serious.
Yes.
Not unlike Christian, if you say last now, I might go late, I might say this one shasha.
No. That see, I'm calm. I'm so calm because that point of that mosque. He enter. It's sweet me. No, that one enter. No, so I go send you DM.